Few things are more frustrating than spending hours working on a drawing and then suddenly having AutoCAD crash before you've had a chance to save your work. Whether the crash was caused by a software error, power outage, system restart, graphics issue, or accidental closure, losing unsaved work can feel like a disaster. The good news is that AutoCAD includes several built-in recovery features specifically designed to help you restore drawings after unexpected crashes. In many cases, you can recover most or even all of your recent work if you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover an unsaved AutoCAD file after a crash, step by step, even if you've never had to recover a drawing before. The first thing you should do after reopening AutoCAD is check whether the Drawing Recovery Manager appears automatically. AutoCAD often detects that the previous session ended unexpectedly and displays the Drawing Recovery Manager when the program starts again. This panel lists recovered versions of drawings, autosave files, and backup files associated with the crashed session. If the Drawing Recovery Manager appears, carefully review the available files. You may see multiple versions of the same drawing. Usually, you'll want to open the most recent autosave or recovery version because it contains the latest changes made before the crash. Open the file and inspect it carefully to verify that your work has been restored. If everything looks correct, immediately save it as a new DWG file. If the Drawing Recovery Manager doesn't appear automatically, don't worry, you can still locate recovery files manually. Type Options into the command line and press Enter. Open the Files tab and locate the Automatic Save Location setting. This folder contains AutoCAD's autosave files, which are created periodically while you work. Open the autosave folder using File Explorer. Look for files with the .sv$ extension. These are AutoCAD autosave files. To recover one, copy the file to another location and rename the extension from .sv$ to .dwg. Once renamed, open the file in AutoCAD and check whether it contains your missing work. Another recovery method involves backup files. AutoCAD automatically creates backup copies of saved drawings with the .bak extension. Navigate to the folder where your original drawing was stored and look for a file with the same name but a .bak extension. If you find one, create a copy of it and change the extension from .bak to .dwg. Then open the file in AutoCAD. While it may not contain the very latest changes, it often provides a recent version of the drawing. You should also use the Recover command if a recovered file refuses to open normally. Type Recover and press Enter. Browse to the recovered drawing and select it. AutoCAD will scan the file for errors and attempt to repair any corruption automatically. This can often restore files that appear damaged after a crash. If you're unable to find autosave files, verify that autosaving is enabled. Type Options and go to the Open and Save tab. Look for the Automatic Save setting. By default, AutoCAD saves recovery information at regular intervals. If this setting has been disabled, future recovery opportunities may be limited. Another useful command is Drawing Recovery. Type Drawing Recovery and press Enter. This manually opens the Drawing Recovery Manager even if it didn't appear automatically when AutoCAD launched. Many users don't realize this feature can be accessed at any time. If the crash occurred while working with external references, verify that all referenced files are still available. Sometimes a recovered drawing opens successfully but appears incomplete because linked XREFs cannot be found. Use the External References palette to reload any missing files. For cloud-based projects, check whether a newer version exists in your cloud storage location. If you're using AutoCAD with connected cloud services or synchronized folders, a more recent version may already be available online. Once you've successfully recovered your drawing, save it immediately under a new file name. Then run the Audit command to identify and repair any remaining errors caused by the crash. This helps ensure the recovered file remains stable moving forward. So to quickly summarize, if AutoCAD crashes before you save your drawing, first check the Drawing Recovery Manager, locate autosave files in the Automatic Save folder, recover .sv$ files by renaming them to .dwg, check for .bak backup files, use the Recover command to repair damaged drawings, verify autosave settings, and save recovered files immediately. In many cases, these recovery tools can restore most or even all of your lost work. I hope this guide helped you recover an unsaved AutoCAD file after a crash. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AutoCAD tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.